Hello everyone, my name is Owuor, the founder of Road Safety and Safe Driving Practices. My road safety tip today is on defensive driving. We have 3 situations that one has to know. Being aware of your surroundings. Awareness. Every time we talk, we say, create awareness as you drive. Be aware of your surroundings. Don't be caught unawares, because if you are not aware of your surrounding, every other thing comes as a surprise. You have to be aware of your surrounding. That is my road safety tip for today. I will give you other road safety tips tomorrow, the day after to come. But what does being aware of your surrounding got to do with your safety on the road? When you're aware of your surrounding, 1, check your mirrors. Do not be caught off guard or unawares. Every 3 seconds, be on the mirror to be on the lookout. Road safety is a message of love, and only those who have true love will share it with you. These are measures put into place to help reduce possible deaths, possible injuries, damage to the environment and property. See you